Determine the place of supply along with the reasons of the following. Place of supply. Mr. X is an architect located in Kolkata. Good. Located in Kolkata, providing interior decorator service to Mr. Y in New York. So, and in relation to the immovable property located in New Delhi, properties located in Delhi, person is located in New York, and services done in New Delhi, IGST to be paid. So, but it's export of service, but deemed export to IGST to be paid. Mr. A, Chartered Account registered in Kolkata, supply services to his client in Bhubaneswar, registered in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So Kolkata to Odisha, IGST, interstate supply. Um, ABC Limited partner importing certain goods from XYZ USA, and goods are imported through vessels and delivered goods are taken at Kolkata, where after the movement terminates, the goods are stored. So after the movement terminates, the goods are stored. So it is import of goods. Import of goods we need to pay is IGST. Interstate. Mr. Customs you need to pay now. Mr. X registered in Guwahati is availing landline services from BSNL. Telephones installation installed at residential premises in Kolkata and billing address of office is Mr. Guwahati. So billing address is Guwahati, place of service is Kolkata, and where is so BSNL is located? Where is BSNL located? BSNL is providing services. Mm, okay. BSNL is serving provided in Kolkata but billing to Guwahati registered person. So it's IGST. Mr. X is residing in Chennai, traveling in Indian airline aircraft and provided with a movie on demand service of 100 rupees on board entertainment during Delhi Chennai leg of Bangkok Delhi Chennai flight. That is from Bangkok, it is going to Delhi. From Delhi, it is going to in Chennai. Mr. Rex is availing the service in Bangkok. So the service availed in Bangkok, it's not eligible to GST exempted. No GST. It's not even taxable thing. Service that is received outside India. Mr. Rex Kolkata purchase online ticket for Aquatia Water Park in Mumbai. CGST and SGST intrastate supply. Mr. Rizat is a unregistered person in Kolkata, sends a courier from New Delhi to his friend in Chennai, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, which he was on a trip to he was on the trip to New Delhi. The service is rendered in New Delhi. He's an unregistered person, whoever, where he New Delhi, so CGST, SGST, intrastate supply. Mr. X is a registered person in Ranchi, Jharkhand, buys a share from the broker in Patna. NSE Mumbai, determine the place of supply of brokerage service. So, where he buys Mumbai, where is the Ranchi? So, registered person buying shares in Mumbai through a brokerage firm, and that firm is going to send the bill to Ranchi. Then it is IGST. XYZ Limited, the New Delhi, entered into a contract with the Indian Airline for supply of biscuit packets or further supply by airline for passengers on Kolkata Guwahati route. The biscuits are located board in Lucknow, where it is loaded there is to bill. So CGST, IGST, IGST from Lucknow to Delhi. So first question, um, architect service now. For that answer is New Delhi. The case is location of a supplier. Locate In the case of location of supplier is location of recipient of service. It is outside India. The recipient of place of supply of service supplied directly in relation to the immovable property, including where the interior decorator in the place where the immovable property is located. So immovable property located in India. So New Delhi. So place of New Delhi. In Bhubaneswar, Odisha, the place of supply of service except the service provided made to a registered person. So location of the such person. Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Kolkata and Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So place of Bhubaneswar, IGST. They what they are determine the place of supply. So say only the place of supply. Don't ask EGCGST. No. Here partner. The place of supply of goods imported in India. Location of importer. Partner. Here the imported the goods. Na. So partner is the import of place service. Then Mr. X suggestion Guwahati landline service to BSNL Kolkata. Na? Here it is Kolkata because residential service. The place of supply of service by way of fixed telecommunication line is the location where the telecommunication line is installed for the recipient service. So it is Kolkata. Good. So in this case, Bangkok, how is it? So he is the place of supply of service onboarding aircraft onboarding onboarding aircraft. So the location is the first scheduled point departure of the airline aircraft as a flight or the journey. Okay. Sixth. Guwahati availing landline service சொல்லியாச்சு. Then accessor in Chennai traveling. So on demand movie. So it is Bangkok சொல்லியாச்சு. Um, then Kolkata purchase online ticket aquatic. Kolkata. Kolkata, how the places supply of service by a fixed link communication. Okay, here Bangkok village. Then six is what makes extra is Kolkata purchase online ticket in water park in Mumbai. Places supply is Mumbai, na? So Mumbai is the place of supply. The place of supply of service provided by way of admission to the amusement part. Admission is the word important. Admission. So in this case, a place of the place where the park is located. So Mumbai. Is that unregistered person in Kolkata sends a courier to New Delhi to his friend Chennai. So New Delhi, how New Delhi, the place of supply of service by way of transportation of goods by the courier to a person other than a registered person is the location of which the goods are handed over for the transportation. Then news ex broker registered person Ranchi buy shares. So here Ranchi because he's a registered person. Place of supply of stock broking services to any person shall be location of the recipient of service on the records of the supplier of the service. In the ninth case, it is Excel Limited Delhi entered contract with Indian Airline for supply of biscuit. Where is it in Lucknow? Lucknow, how where the supply involves movement of goods and the place of supply of such goods is the location of the goods at the time in which movement of goods determines to delivery to recipient. Therefore, the place of supply of biscuit packets sold to Mr. XYZ to the Indian Airlines Lucknow. Further, where the goods are supplied on board on the aircraft, the place of supply shall be location in which such goods are taken on board. Thus, the place of supply of biscuit packets sold to Mr. Indian Airlines to the passengers Kolkata Guwahati route, Lucknow.